Hey kids, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are keeping good. Here I am with another chapter of EVS, that is weather. In this chapter, we will learn about weather and seasons. Can you tell me, children, what image is this? Yes, it's an image of a cloudy day. Can you all see the clouds, children, in the image? It is known as cloudy day. Now, here comes another image which is known as a rainy day. Yes, it's a rainy day. Here, this is an image of a snowy day, a cool and snowy day. Here comes the image of a windy day. Can you see the clouds blowing the wind? Yes, the trees are falling. This is an image of a sunny day. Can you see, children, the bright sun shining up in the sky? Now, children, let me explain you the entire chapter. Weather and seasons. The weather changes nearly every day. Some days are hot, some are pleasant, and some are cold. Some days are windy, and on some days it rains. You must have often heard elders in the family saying the maximum or minimum temperature of the day. This means even during the day the temperature changes. Early mornings and nights are cooler than the day. Weather also affects the way we live and the types of clothes which we wear depends upon the weather. If the day is hot, we like to wear light and cotton clothes. Cotton is good because it absorbs the sweat. We feel comfortable in soft and loose clothes. We don't like to wear clothes which sticks to our body. We use handkerchief or tissue papers to wipe the sweat. We like to stay indoors in the afternoon when it is very hot. We like to drink lots of liquids, fruit juice, lemonade or milkshakes. We also even like to eat food which is not fried and light. We wear woolen clothes when it is cold. Woolen clothes helps our body to stay warm. We like to wear bright colors too. Some days are windy. When the wind is light and gentle, it is very pleasant. We like to play in the park, go for morning walks, or do some cycling in such pleasant days. And if the wind is very strong, we do not go out because we might get hurt. Some days it rains. We call it raining day. At time the rain is heavy and sometime it is light. We use umbrella and raincoats during rainy season. Sometime there is a wind along with the rain. That time we cannot manage to handle the umbrella. You have often heard about the season names summer, winter, and rainy season. When the same kind of weather continues for 2 to 3 months at a time, that period is called a season. Season time in India. Winter from November to February. Spring on March. Summer, as we know, April, May, and June. Rainy season, July and August. And autumn in September and October. During winter, sometime it snows in the hilly region. People light fire in their homes to keep themselves warm. After winter comes spring. This is the most beautiful season. Flowers bloom and birds build their nest. The weather is very pleasant. It is neither hot nor cold. New leaves can be seen on the trees. Then comes summer season. It is very uncomfortable season. Even plants and animals also feel the heat. After summer comes the rainy season. As you can all see, the clouds are dark and black, and it rains heavily almost daily. Everything in nature looks washed and clean. Then comes the autumn season. The leaves change color and fall. The days starts getting cooler and cooler. Animals get ready for winter months. Now, the recap of the chapter. The weather changes nearly every day. Some days are hot, some are cool, and some are cold. Some days are windy, and on some days it rains. Early mornings and nights are cooler than the day. Weather affects the way we live. When the same kind of weather continues for 2 to 3 months at the same time, that period is called season. There are mainly 3 kinds of seasons: summer, winter, and rainy season. We also have spring and autumn. I hope, children, the chapter is very much clear to you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.